Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Borosil Meta Prime Grill Sandwich Maker. You can see from the box cover what this particular sandwich maker is going to look like. It comes with non-stick grill plates, heating plate opens to 90 degrees Celsius, floating hinge system, automatic temperature control. It is a 700 watt sandwich maker, it's written over here, and it comes with 2 years of warranty as well. We have some more specifications on this side. The item code is BGRLL, basically B Grill SS13. Specification 700 watts, runs on 230 volts and 50 hertz of electricity. Net weight is 1.34 kilograms. And that's more or less it. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. So right off the bat, we have a user manual. This is the user manual for the B Grill SS13, which is basically this particular model. It has a lot of information. It has consumer safety information, important safeguards, part identification, how to use, a lot of do's and don'ts, how to clean, and also warranty for repair and services as well. So it's a very important document. You should not lose this and should read it very carefully. On to the sandwich maker. Let's quickly take a look. And there you go. This is what the Borosil Meta Prime Grill Sandwich Maker looks like. There's a 700 watt sandwich maker. It comes with this easy to use handle right over here, swivel handle. It also has a stainless steel body. Let me tell you that. It's made out of metal. This is not a plastic thing. And it has a stainless steel body right over here. At least this component is stainless steel. There's also an indicator over here which will basically tell you when your sandwich is ready. Also comes with this pretty big handle, actually, aluminum handles which you can use to lift the grills like so. And inside you will notice these are your non-stick grill plates, ceramic plates, which you can open up to 90 degrees Celsius of heat. Furthermore, there is also a pretty thick power cable right over here that has a 3-pin socket on one end. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Borosil Meta Prime Grill Sandwich Maker. Model number is B Grill SS13. Thank you for watching.